I have a friend who owns a 43-unit apartment complex in a so-so location, so it's a C property.
Okay.
He's 50% occupied and has no willingness or funds to get the other 20 plus units rehabbed and occupied. He doesn't want to sell. He offered me to take over those units, rehab them myself with my contacts and my funds, lease them and manage. He offers me to get my rehab funds back first with the rent coming in, and then after I recoup my funds, I will keep $200 per unit for 10 years. I will have no equity participation. I will be responsible for managing, collecting, and evicting. Is this a good deal or is there a better way?
It's a good deal, Fernando, for him. It sucks for you. Under no circumstances do you ever go renovating somebody else's apartment complex in the hopes that he'll do what he says. If you don't own it, you know a fix it. Let me say that again. If you know own it, you know a fix it, especially if you're going to go get the money to do the fixing. That's a crappy deal.